Hi, I am Amelie Carrano and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 8. In this enhancement I need to show the categories and the detail view. The categories are here on the menu and the detail is when we click the product and show the details of this product. As I don't have all the images for this product, the site doesn't look very good, but it is working. So let me check HTML validation and CSS validation on both views. Okay, no errors in CSS. No errors. And we need to check if the page is responsive in multiple views. So when we do this, we can check if it is working. Here is the menu. We can try other pages. Okay, so let me check the category HTML. No errors. And CSS. No errors too. Okay, that's it. Thank you.